Hi everybody, my name is Kristin Pokrass and I am an independent Color Street director. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about becoming a stylist, give you some information on the company, what it means to be a stylist, starter kits, all of that sort of information so that you can decide if this is the right business for you. So really quickly, I learned about Color Street about, 9 months ago, July 2017. I was really just looking for an alternative to getting my nails done at a salon. I was tired of spending the time and the money and needed a better solution. A friend of mine told me about Color Street. I immediately found a stylist and asked for a sample. And I will tell you, the moment I put that sample on, I knew I would be a customer. And after a few days of wearing it, I knew I had to sell it. This product is unlike anything else that you have ever seen. It is 100% nail polish in a strip. They are not vinyl stickers. They need no tools to apply, no heating, no trimming, nothing. I do everything with my bare hands. The thing you might want to use at the end is a file, but that's really all you need. So Color Street launched in June 2017, and as of now, we are mid-March 2018. There are about 14,000 stylists around the US, and I would say about half of those are currently active. That's very typical in direct sales. I currently have a team of about 90 girls, and that's growing every single day. We added just 3 today. So as of today, March 14th, 2018, I am a director. I'm hoping to be senior director soon, so you might be watching this in a few months, and I've surpassed that. So the growth of this business has absolutely blown me away. My sales have been incredible. The rate at which my team is growing is just phenomenal, and everyone is having so much fun doing it. So really quickly, I want to tell you what I love about this business. There is no need to carry inventory. That is huge in any type of sales. This is a disposable, affordable product, which means that people can afford to buy it and they're going to use it and need more. So for me, that was key. I wanted something that was going to keep people coming back, because you can sell somebody lipstick, clothes, skincare. It could last them months and months to years and years before they need anything else. Well, with the nails, you're going to wear your strips for about 2 weeks. Some people can get a little more. Some people wear them for a little less because they're so excited to change them. And then people want more. So it keeps your customers coming back, not to mention the fact that we are constantly coming out with new designs, new styles. We always have stuff for every holiday. And lately they've announced that they're going to be, recently they've announced that they're going to be coming out with new styles every single month. So it's a great way to keep your customers excited about the product. The starter fee is so low. That was the other thing that really grabbed my attention, because to me it was no risk. It is $129 for a starter kit. That is a one-time fee. That is not annual. It is one time, and you get 10 full sets of nails. You get 72 testers. Let me show you real quick. These are the full sets, okay? By now you probably have seen them, but you're gonna get 10 of those. You can use or sell them. You're gonna get 72 of these little twosies, as we call them. These are our samples, and let me tell you, this is what sells the product. Being able to give samples out to people, to mail them, to carry them around with you, because everywhere I go, people notice my nails and I can immediately say, here's a sample, okay? That is huge. It is a game changer for selling a product. You also get 30 catalogs, you get like 100 prep pads, a bunch of nail polish remover pads, you get 2 large nail files, 2 large buffer blocks, a bunch of mini files, mini cuticle sticks, and just some other great information on how to best get started, order forms, all this kind of stuff. So you get so much for your kit, and that is one time. Ongoing after that, well, first of all, you get your own website, which is amazing, and that's why we don't need to carry inventory. So of course you're always going to have those people that like to buy from you in person. They want to see what you have, they want to look at it before they buy it. But I would say 90% of my customers order directly through my website, and that is huge. The website fee for your first month, your enrollment month, is $0. The website fee for your next full month is $0, and after that, it is $9.95. That is your monthly fee. Let me tell you, that is a steal. So many companies are charging their consultants $20 a month, $30 a month. Ours is less than $10 a month, and it is a total lifesaver. I do not have to worry about invoicing people, packaging product, shipping product, making sure it gets there, so you're tracking the product. It saves so much of your time. So if you're a busy person like I am and you don't want to spend your time with that, you do not have to. People order directly through your Color Street website. Everything gets shipped directly from the company to your customer, and that's it. You don't have to worry about anything. I want to talk to you about commission and sales. So commission on your personal sales ranges from 25% to 35%, okay? That depends on your monthly sales. It starts at 25 and you can go as high as 35% for the month based on how much you sell, so it's tiered. I have all of that information. I'd be happy to send you the specifics, but right now I just want to give you an overview. So every week you get paid 25% of whatever you've sold that week. It gets direct deposited into your bank account. It's amazing. The money just appears there. And at the end of the month, Color Street looks at how much you sold total. If you make it past that 25% mark, then they pay you the additional percentage, the additional commission on top of your 25%. So let's say you made it to 30%. You've been paid your 25% each week, and at the end of the month, they give you an additional 5% of your overall monthly sales. Now, so that's the commission structure on your personal sales. You also, of course, make commission on your team. So you're gonna make 6% on your first line, okay? So your first downline, so anyone you personally enroll or sponsor, you're gonna make 6% of their sales. The second line, you're making 3%, third is 3%, fourth is 3%. But you don't get all of those payments until you start to promote through the ranks. So your first level is stylist, at that level, you're just making commission off of your first line. Your second level is senior stylist. At that level, you're making commission off of your first line, that's 6%, and 3% off of your second line. After senior stylist, you hit team leader, and that's where the really exciting stuff starts to come in, like being able to strategically place people that you enroll. I can go into that in more detail for anybody one-on-one if they're interested. But at team leader level, not only do you make 6% on your first line, you make 6% on your second line as well. So that's huge. And then it just goes up from there, which, again, I can talk to you about all of that. The other way that we earn commission, money, income is off of jump starts. So they have given us, Color Street has given us 35, 65, and 95 day goals, both sales and recruiting. So for example, if you sell $1,000 worth of nails in your first 35 days, Color Street will reward you with $50 in product credit. You can use that to purchase full sets. You can use it for twosies, catalogs, whatever you see fit. There is no tax charged to you. There is no tax that you need to pay. They work the tax into the credit that you're using, and there's no shipping fee. And the cool thing is those jump starts they are exclusive of each other. So you do not have to hit one in order to get the other. So you can hit either the sales goal or you can hit the recruiting goal and you'll still get rewarded. And that goes up to 95 days. So that is a really awesome benefit that we have, but it gets even better. They actually do a 100% match on jump starts for the people that you personally enroll. So let's say I enroll Jane and Jane hits her $1,000, in sales within her first 35 days and she gets that $50 product credit. Well, not only does she get that, but they reward me, her sponsor, at 100%. So I get the $50 credit as well. So since I've been doing this and I have so many girls that I've enrolled, I have received close to probably 300 sets of nails absolutely free because I have earned them not only through all of my jump starts, but my girls' jump starts as well. Now, what do I do with those nails? I can use them or I can sell them. So it's really, really fantastic. So that's sort of the overall kind of vision, I guess, of the compensation structure. As you start to promote higher and higher, you get into things like lifestyle bonuses, monthly amounts that go towards cars and all that kind of things, a lot of things that you'd kind of typically see in direct sales businesses. So that's sort of the broad sweeping overview. Now I want to just kind of tell you once again what I love about the product. This is something that appeals to multiple generations, okay? So we're talking from kids through the elderly. Anybody can use this product. People that tell you, oh, well, I still want to go to the salon, that's fine, go to the salon. But I highly doubt you're waiting until your nails, look, or I'm sure you're waiting until your nails look absolutely awful before you're going back. Well, use Color Street in between that time. You can put it over acrylics, you can put it over gels, shellac, dip, whatever. Anybody can use this. You can use it on your bare nails, obviously, but for those people that tell you that they only wear acrylics, doesn't matter, they can use it, okay? It is so easy to apply, and it is completely affordable for most people. So most people are willing to at least give it a try. And once they do, they're usually hooked. We have no competition, okay? We have the global patent on the technology. 100% polish in a strip, that's us. So we're not, it's not something that you could say, oh, I don't want to buy it through Color Street, I'll just go buy it over here. Not like, I'm using like makeup or clothing as an example. We're it. The company is so brand new. At this point that I'm making this video, we're not even a year old. It is so rare to come across an opportunity like that you can get started, in the beginning and really be, kind of at the precipice of all of this. The growth has been astronomical, but there are still so many people that have never heard of Color Street. I do parties all the time online. I'm big on Facebook parties. And in all the parties I've done, I'm talking like, 4 to 8 parties a month over the past, how long have I been doing this? I don't know, 8 months. Maybe 2 times has anybody ever heard of Color Street before I told them about it. So you want to be the first of your friends and family to offer this product, okay? And it is still so you are still able to do that at this point. So do it now. The risk is so low. In order to, let me go back to that. So really the only ongoing fee, like I said, is that website fee of $9.95. It is free the month you enroll. It is free the next full month. The only thing you need to do in order to stay active is that within a 6-month period, you need to sell $300 worth of nails in 1 month. That's what we call being bonus qualified. Every time you bonus qualify, your 6 months starts over again. And I know if you're not doing this yet and you think, oh, $300 in nails, that sounds like a lot. It's not. It goes so fast, you'd be amazed. People think like, oh, it's kind of, it's like a lower priced product, the compensation doesn't sound that high. Well, it's lower priced, which means you're selling a lot more of it. It's not like trying to sell, one piece of clothing that costs $100. You're selling 4 sets of these things for about $40. So you're selling a lot. Okay, I was blown away. I mean, one of my months I sold like over $3,000 worth of nails in 1 month. Okay, so to do 300 is not a big deal. That's all of our first goal each month, and we usually hit it within the first few days, and everything after that is just gravy, because we know that we're staying active. Anyways, regardless of that, so as I said, it starts over again. It's a rolling 6-month period. So every time you hit that 300, you get another 6 months in order to have, 1 more month where you're bonus qualified. It's super easy. And if you're close to that, but you don't have any more customers left, it's the last day of the month and you're like, oh, I really need to hit bonus qualified, or I'm not going to be active anymore. You can make up that difference. You get a commission on all of your personal purchases as well, just like it was a sale to a customer. So let's say you've got $100 left, to hit 300, you buy $100 worth of nails, you're making back your 25% commission off of that, so it's costing you $75, and you just got a bunch of nails in your inventory that you can sell or use for yourself. So it's super easy to stay active. I'm actually shocked at what a low amount that is. And gosh, I think that's really it. I wanted to keep this as brief as possible. I kept it under 15 minutes. If anybody has additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll just leave you with this. If you love the product and you're even slightly considering it, just selling it, try it. There's really nothing to lose. You get so much for that kit. And if you think about it, at a minimum, you're getting back 25%. So let's say you do a buy 3, get 1 free, that's $40. You make back 25%, that's $10. Well, that $10 right there covers your website fee, and you've spent nothing out of pocket. You've got awesome nails, and you can, when people say to you, oh, I love your nails, you can say, thanks, it's Color Street, here's my card, go to my website, here's a sample, let me show you how to use it. So it's super easy to sell as long as you're willing to do it. Okay, That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can reach me at Kristin, Kristin .Pokrass, Pokrass @gmail.com. I'd love to have you on my team and answer any questions that you might have. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.